Hey guys, it's Paul and Trades again, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if you already watched my BOS video, the break of structure video, this one also connects to you because before a break of structure happens, usually there is a change of character, and that is what we call CHOCH. And in this video, that is what I'm going to break down step by step and how you can actually use it to your advantage. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. So what is a change of character? So first of all, a change of character signals that the market is likely to change direction. Take for example, if the market was in a downtrend market, if price breaks the previous lower high, that is likely to be a change of character, or it is likely to signal that the market is likely to start pushing up. So as a trader, you need to understand how this change of character happens, when it happens, and how you can be able to use it to your advantage. So let's look for a change of character in an uptrend market. So first of all, an uptrend market is a market that is always going to push to the upside. We all know that an uptrend market is a market that is always full of buyers that are trying to push price to the upside. So in an uptrend market, what the market is doing, it is creating highs and lows, highs and lows, highs and lows. But in the way it is creating these highs and lows, what is happening is that it is not just there is a language that we use in an uptrend, and that is what we call higher highs and higher lows. So if we are to see how the market is pushing here, it is already showing you that it is taking out the previous high, and this is a higher high, and then this is a higher low, and in that process, this alone signals that the market is pushing all the way up. It is literally pushing up, that it is creating higher highs and higher lows. So in your mind as a trader, you should only be looking for what? For buys, because that is an uptrend market showing you that I'm still pushing to this upside, I'm still pushing up, and in that way look for buy opportunities. But as we said, price is not going to always push up forever. It is going to reach a point and start reversing. So when we talk about an uptrend market reversal, what is happening is that the previous higher low, this previous higher low, if price breaks through it like this, that is a clear sign that this market is likely to change direction. Because if it breaks through this, now our change of character is going to be marked here, because it has taken out the most recent higher low. It has been taken out, and now usually price is going to come back and start pushing all the way down, because it is now changing direction. It is now changing and showing you this is a reversal. So a reversal in an uptrend is something that is going to be important for you to know that now this is time to stop buying. This is time to now start looking for sell opportunities. So the moment you are able to identify that very fast, it is going to be easy for you to start taking trades that are based off of the plan, the trades that are going to be quality, the trades that are aligning direction. And that is an example of an uptrend market. All right, so now let's look at an example of a downtrend market. So we all know that in a downtrend market, the market is clearly going to the downside, right? This is the market that is always going to push lower. So in a downtrend market, we are talking about, if I'm let me wrap this so that you can see here. We are literally talking about lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. But I want you to understand something now. This is a simple sketch. This is just a minor sketch, but the reality of the market is going to be forming with candlesticks. We are going to be having candles forming, and red and green, buyers and sellers. So in a downtrend market, what happens is that if a change of character is going to happen, we shall first look for our higher highs and we shall first look for our lower highs and our lower lows. And we all know that our lower highs are lower high areas and our lower lows are down here. So when price breaks structure, this is our BOS, but we shall always mark until price reaches a point and is no longer pushing down. This is a lower high, lower low, a lower low, a lower high. So if at all this is the last point where price reached, we have this high and we have this low. what happens? Price breaks through like this. Immediately this point, this is now going to be our choke, which is our change of character. The reason is that now price is giving you a signal that, you know what, mister, I'm now changing direction. I'm no longer pushing up. I'm now going to, rather, I'm no longer pushing to the downside. I'm now changing, and I'm likely to push like this. Usually we have like a breaker block point entry model. Here you enter from here, and then price is going to push all the way up. So what does that signal? What that signals, it is telling you that be able to read the market direction, understand the language of the market, and it is going to become easy for you to take trades, because the moment you can read price, the moment you can read direction, there is no way you're going to freeze or get confused in your trading, because you literally know that if it is a change of character here, if I was looking for buys, let's say for example in an uptrend market, now I'm going to start looking for sells. If I was looking for sales in a downtrend market, I'm now going to start looking for the buys. It is the reverse of the other. So a change of character is as important as a break of structure, because a change of character is showing you that I'm now pushing, now I'm now changing direction. Look for this, look for buys, or if I was in a downtrend, look for buys. If I'm now in an uptrend market, if I was in an uptrend market now, look for sales. So it is that signal that spikes the movement of the change of direction. Now, the moment you apply that into your trading, it is going to give you clarity. It is going to give you the vision. It is going to show you that you need to understand these two. Be able to read structure, be able to read market structure, understand the language of the market, and trading is going to be simple. So this is a change of character, and we can clearly see that if you are able to understand a change of character, you won't be taking trades anyhow. You will be reading the language of the market and react when it shows you to react. If it is telling you that I'm now pushing down, you now change to the downside and look for sales. You won't get caught up in a downtrend yet you're looking for buys. No, if it is a downtrend, you will be looking for buys. You will be looking for sales. If it is an uptrend, you'll be looking for buys. As simple as that. So that was the video of a change of character. And if you want more details, if you actually want more explanation about this and you want a one-on-one coaching program, we offer that, and I guarantee you it will bring more clarity about this, because I'll be showing you my live examples and my live trades, so that it will be easy for you to take trades that are quality, not quantity. So as a trader, once you understand to read the market of the language of the market, it becomes simple and very, very good for you, because you are not only taking quality setups, you are now trading with discipline and understanding that consistency is going to compound over time. That was it for today, and I hope to see you in the next one.